Guys, so we're back in another video, and today we're with Kevin, but not with Zev because he was being a loser. And today we got this ball, and I wonder what's inside it. I wonder if it's like straight plain and like straight plain black inside it, or it's just like the same color inside. And let's get some weapons. Can I get my weapon?
That's not like, no, we already have a knife. Let's try this first. No, that's fine.
The spoon's a weapon, right?
Oh, that's easier than I thought.
Here, let me try.
Yeah, I got this one. Help.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, here, let me try.
Still bouncing.
Here, let me try. Record me.
Dude, just go like no, that just go like this.
It's hard to cut.
Let me see.
Wait, I got.
I already did it, bro.
Where's my cut? Oh, there it is.
Okay, come on.
Oh, Master Chef. I feel like it's gonna be like black or purple. It's black. It's just literally straight up black.
Okay, you're right.
It still bounces.
So this inside makes it bounce.
So this is what is inside it. It's all black, and this is I almost dropped the phone, but this is all the mess. Not that much mess, but Kevin said to cut into it again. Let's see what else we can find to cut in it. Right there. It's literally black. Let's see what else.
Whoa.
What else?
Oh, there's nothing. Can you feel though?
Let's see. What about this pencil?
We already know what's inside the pencil. Look,